Hello, let me show you the best features of Poco C75. And first of all, we are gonna start from NFC. So in Europe, you can actually purchase this device with NFC. And what does it mean that you can actually pay with this device? And it is available just right here. Take a look. So you can pick, the payment method, like for example, the Google Pay, and basically pay with this device. Next, we can also find here the screencasting, so we can actually share any content from your Poco C75 into your TV or any other external monitor. And this device can also find support for VPN, but of course, if you want to use it, you will have to set it up manually, and still can install some apps, like for example from Avast. It will also work on this device. When you go back from this device, from these settings, we can find some other options when you go to the lock screen. Like for example, we can find camera shortcut. So when you turn it on, you can quickly press the volume button 2 times when the screen is locked, and it will quickly turn on camera. And when you go back from this one, we'll have to go for notifications, and in this place we can actually find connection speed. So once you turn it on, you can basically check the internet speed every time that you really need this of your mobile data, or for example of your Wi-Fi. And in this phone we can also find a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's just right here. We can even force to always use 120 Hz. And we get also here the sunlight mode. So it will allow you to adjust brightness to strong ambient light to prevent the screen from going too dark, especially when you are outside. Now we'll have to navigate for the sound and vibration. In this place we can actually find graphic sound equalizer with 6 default presets, but also with a custom one, so we can set it up to your own preferences. And now in this phone you can also find the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here. It's actually synchronized with power button. And also there's face unlocking. When you go into the apps section, we can find dual apps, so we can basically clone any application that we have on this phone, but also we can set password on applications, so we can protect your privacy. When you go to the battery, we can find, for example, the battery protection, and basically it will allow you to charge your phone only to 80%, so it will actually extend the battery life. And we can also find here a lot of useful shortcuts. They are available right here in additional settings. So first of all, we can set up double tap fingerprint sensor shortcut, and this is the list of all shortcuts that you can set up. Also, we can set the flashlight shortcut. You can take a screenshot with your 3 fingers, and that will be all for the shortcuts. There's also the game turbo, so it's actually speed up your phone. When you are playing games, it's also speed up your network. Take a look when you go for the performance optimization, and also your Wi-Fi. Next, when you go back, when you just turn off the game turbo, we can find memory extension, so we can add additional 4, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM. And in this phone we can also add another user. So what it does, basically you can just create another user account and you can share this device with someone else. It works like in PC, so if you have Windows PC or MacBook, so that's basically the same thing. And when you go into the camera, we can also find some useful options. Like for example, in this phone we can find the 50 megapixel mode, so it will give you some more details. And when you go right here into some other settings, we can find shutter type, and this function will actually allows you to take photos by using voice shutter, so you will have to say cheese, or you can tap to take the photo, so it will automatically adjust contrast, brightness, exposure, and take a photo. And this is all. In my opinion, this is the best features of this device. Thanks for watching.